Uthini ke wena?
I didn't understand that thing.
Hawu yini cha okay lalela ke ngoba vele igama
Depending on what the shot is composed like.
Okay, cool.
Anything that you want to do. Go for it.
Okay ke lalela ke
I'll tell you,
lalela ke ngoba mina igama lami ngolalelane kusho ukuthi usazolalela ke kusho ukuthi usazongilalela ke seyide kabi indaba lena ngithi namhlanje lesihlanu, today is Friday. Mekuyi Friday, we are going dizzy. Yeah, we're dizzying in the music. Which is your playlist? Which is your playlist for today? It's Saturday today. It's Friday.
Guys, you don't know this artist, but Blood Orange. We're pumping gas.
Blood Orange, what Blood Orange?
Yeah.
What Blood Orange? Guys, we are coming from Red Moon Orange. Okay, now we are on Blood. Okay.
It's an American artist.
Oh,
So, yeah.
hip hop. Which?
Like lo-fi something.
Awungishayele i-lyric yakhe.
Hayi.
Awushaye. Oh, wait. Come on, abantu emakhaya bathi babukela. Abantu angeke ku-groove.
Search on YouTube.
Hayi. You are in entertainment industry. You have to entertain people. Abantu they should always be entertained.